the different types of layers of trees in the forest. Okay? Now, we'll start with the emergent layer. The emergent layer is the highest part of the rainforest. It has trees which can reach 40 meters, 130 feet, which is almost as big as the Douglas fir tree. It's so big, almost like 50 meters, like 64 feet plus. Now, we'll start with the canopy layer. Most of these trees, they have many animals and birds that live here. They are really rare and cannot be found anywhere else. Okay, now the middle layer. Many of these are so densely packed. Over 8,600 of the bird species we know are there in the middle layer. And the shrub layer. These trees over here, their light over here is scarce. The trees can only reach 5 meters, 16 feet, and over 1 million species of insects have been found here, and most of them have never been seen by man before. Herb layer. The dark forest floor of the forest. New growth of plants is rare. Now I'll tell you a few animals that live here. The jaguar. It is the only big cat in the South American rainforest, the Amazon. It will eat most large animals such as giraffes, Malayan tapirs, and many more. And they can catch fish because jaguars, leopards, cheetahs, lions, all of these belong to the cat family. And iguana. Iguanas are normally found in the South American rainforest. They're like chameleons. They do not slightly blend in color, but they have an extremely long tongue, like a giant pangolin. They'll shoot out their tongue and pull back the insect in with a fraction within the speed of light.
Yeah.
So now what? So Coati. This little scavenger roams the forest floor in large bands. Last, the Malayan tapir. As big as a small cow, this shy little animal feeds on vegetation. Thanks for watching.